In this video, I will explain about extranuclear inheritance. Our group member is Muhammad Rafiq bin Zurani, Nur Adillah binti Kamaruddin, Amirul Mukminin bin Azmi, Nur Shafira binti Zulkifli, Muhammad Azhar Akmal bin Suhaimi, and Izzat Farhan bin Cik Ismadi. Introduction. Extranuclear inheritance is the transmission of genes that occur outside the nucleus. It is found in most eukaryotes and is commonly known to occur in cytoplasmic organelles such as mitochondria and chloroplasts, or from cellular parasites like viruses or bacteria. Example of extranuclear inheritance: organelle heredity, mitochondria and chloroplasts. Organelle heredity. Mitochondria, for example, are often located near organelles that consume energy. Number is determined by the magnitude of these energy needs. In muscle cells, where they are interwoven with myofibrils that generate mechanical force. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell by chemical reaction. It is stored in a small molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. Chloroplast. It is located at plant cell for photosynthesis. It is a haploid cell, which is one copy in each individual. Sexual reproduction normally takes place. As we know, there will be egg cell and sperm cell. Two of these have their own nucleus until final division occurs. But for egg cell, not only have genetic information, but it also have organelle in the cytoplasm. The zygote and all on diffusion cell also will directly have mitochondria. All mitochondria only came from the egg cell, not from sperm cell, and this concept called as maternal inheritance. Variation in 4 o'clock plant and maternal inheritance. Coren's experiment. 20th century Karl Koren, a German botanist, did a series of genetic experiments using 4 o'clock plants, Mirabilis jalapa. His work demonstrates on how chloroplast DNA is passed on from cell to cell and from parent to offspring. The study of maternal inheritance was performed by Koren on the 4 o'clock plant. This plant can have either green, variegated, which is white and green, or white leaf. Flower structures can develop at different locations on the plant, and the flower color corresponds to the leaf color. When currents cross the different color flower from different locations on the female plant with pollen obtained from flower of the 3 different colors, the progeny that result from the cross always exhibited the color of the leaf of the female. That is regardless of whether the pollen was from a leaf that was green, variegated, or white. If the female flower came from a region where the leaf were green, all the progeny were green. Similar results were seen when the female was from a region on the plant where the leaf were either variegated or white. In comparison to trait control by maternal effect, those traits controlled by maternal inheritance, the female phenotype is always expressed in its offspring. All of the organelle DNA that is found in an embryo is from the female. The egg cell is many times larger than the pollen cells and contains both mitochondria and chloroplasts. Pollen is small and is essentially devoid of organelle and thus organelle DNA. So any trait that is encoded by the organelle DNA will be contributed by the female. In the case of the 4 o'clock plant, the different colors of the leaf is a result of the presence or absence of chlorophyll in the chloroplast, a trait that can be controlled by the chloroplast DNA. Thus, green should contain chloroplasts that have chlorophyll. The chloroplast in the white should contain no chlorophyll, and the variegated should contain some chloroplasts with chlorophyll and some without chlorophyll. It also depends upon the location in the plant where the flower comes from. The egg can have chloroplast with chlorophyll, without chlorophyll, or a mixture of the 2 types of chloroplast. This is the biological basis of maternal inheritance. Thank you.